विधूय क्लेशान्मे कुरु चरणयुग्मं धृतरसं भवत्क्षेत्रप्राप्तौ करमपि च ते पूजनविधौ भवन्मूर्त्यालोके नयनमथ ते पादतुलसीपरिघ्राणे घ्राणं श्रवणमपि ते चारुचरिते विधूय धास् महाप्रणः क्लेशान् मे कुरु charanayugmam is a compound word. Dhritarasam is a compound word. Dhas mahapranah. Charanayugman dhritarasam because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to n. Bhavat kshetra praptau is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Karam api. Karamapi. Cha te pujana vidhau is a compound word. Dhas mahapranah. Bhavanmurtyaloke. Bhavat bhas mahapranah. The two changes to n. Murti aloke. Murtyaloke. Bhavanmurtyaloke is a compound word. Nayanam atha. Thas mahapranah. Nayanam atha. Te pada tulasi parighrane is a compound word. Ghas mahapranah. Ghranam. Gha mahapranah. Shravanam api. Shravanamapi. Te charucharite is a compound word. Vidhuya kleshan me kuru charana yugman dhritarasam bhavat kshetra praptau karamapi chate pujana vidhau Bhavanmurtyaloke nayanamathate padatulasi parighrane ghranam shravanamapi te charucharite prabhutadhivyadhi prasabhachalite mamakahridi twadiyantadrupam paramasukhacidrupamudiyat Udanchadromancho galitabahu harshashrunivahah yatha vismaryasandurupashama pida paribhavan Prabhutadhivyadhi prasabhachalite is a compound word. Both bhas and both dhas mahapranah there. Mamaka hridi is a compound word. Twadiyam tat changes to the rupam. Tadrupam is a compound word. Tvadiyan tadrupam because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to n. Paramasukha chit changes to the rupam. Paramasukha chidrupam is a compound word. Sukha khas mahapranah. Udiyat. Paramasukha chidrupa mudiyat. Udanchadromanchaha is a compound word. It becomes Udanchadromancho because of sandhi. Galita bahu harsha ashru. Harshashru nivahaha. Galita bahu harshashru nivahaha is a compound word. Yatha tha mahapranah. Vismaryasam durupa shama pida paribhavan is a compound word. Bha is mahapranah. Prabhutadhivyadhi prasabhachalite mamakahridi twadiyantadrupam paramasukhacidrupamudiyat udanchadromancho galitabahu harshashrunivahah yatha vismaryasan durupashama pida paribhavan